Hi everyone, and happy holidays. Today, I'll be walking you through how we print our Christmas cards using our Xerox PrimeLink C9265. Let's get started. Here, we have a Christmas card template created in Canva. The document size is 8 by 11.5 inches, and once we cut it in half, it becomes an A2-sized card, which is perfect for Christmas cards. Once done designing in Canva, the next step is to download the file. To do that, click Share, choose Download. Select the correct file format, make sure you've selected the correct pages, choose CMYK for a professional print output. Once everything looks good, go ahead and download the file. Now that the file is downloaded, let's move over to Fiery. Click Import, choose the right file and click OK. Now, open the imported file in the Fiery, click Properties. Here we double-check our settings to make sure everything looks right. Then, click Process and hold, then Print. Coffee break. At the Xerox printer, you'll see your file processing. After a short wait, your Christmas card will print. The card is now printed, clear and crisp. Time to fold and cut. Cut the sheet in half and fold it to create an A2-sized Christmas card. We also created a custom-designed envelope and printed that to place the finished card into. Hey, thanks for watching. Your time means a lot to us. For more videos, check out our channel. Thank you for watching, and happy printing.